Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students of 11 and 12 of English version, this is Amjad Hossain, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Today I will discuss some MCQ from your exercise 9, that is differential calculus. From first paper we follow Systech publications books. Already you know how to differentiate a function. Now today I will discuss MCQ from your textbook. At first I will start with the problem of limit. You know, differentiation comes from limit, and to solve differential mathematics you have to know trigonometric formulas and different formula of differentiation. Okay, now let us start. Our first question is limit x tends to 0 sin twice x divided by x cos thrice x. In all types of maths, if you put the limit directly, you get 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity or infinity by infinity or 0 by 0 format. Here if we put limit x equal to 0 in this function, we will get 0 by 0 format. So this is not acceptable answer. Okay, to do this, you know, there are two formulas of limit. One is x by sin x equal 1 and another x is tan x by x or x by tan x is equal to 1. Here hints of this solution is limit x tends to 0 sin twice x divided by x cos thrice x. This equal limit x tends to 0 sin twice x divided by twice x into, here 2 is extra, we can write 2 divided by cos thrice x. Here if we write limit separately, sin twice x divided by twice x into limit x tends to 0 2 by cos thrice x. Now if x tends to 0, then twice x is also tends to 0. Here this is one formula, and if we put limit x equals 0 in this function, we get cos 0. You know cos 0 equal to 1. So answer of this question is 2. So here option B is correct. Okay students, now our second problem. This is limit x tends to 2 x cube minus 8 divided by x square minus 4. Limit x tends to 2 x cube minus 8 divided by x square minus 4. Here to solve this problem we use a method of differentiation. This method is known as L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule. This rule is we have to differentiate numerator and denominator separately. That means this equal limit x tends to 2 ddx of x cube, this is 3x square, and ddx of constant, this is 0. Here ddx of x square, this is twice x, and ddx of 4, this is 0. Now we put the limit of x is 2 in this function. 3 into 2 square divided by 2 into 2, this equal 3. So here option D is correct. Dear students, our next problem is limit x tends to infinity 4 plus thrice x minus x square divided by 7 plus twice x plus 3x square. To solve these types of problem, we have to simplify these types of functions as 1 by x format. To do this, we have to common x from both numerator and denominator. This equal limit x tends to infinity. If we take common x square as common, then this is 4 by x square plus 3 by x minus 1, and here if we take common x square as common, then we get 7 by x square plus 2 by x plus 3, and this are cancelled. Now we put the limit x equal infinity, the plus 3 by infinity minus 1 divided by 7 by x square, that means infinity, plus 2 by infinity plus 3. Here you know something by infinity is 0, that means in numerator we get minus 1 and in denominator we get minus 3. So here we use any number, that means a is constant divided by infinity, this is 0. So here answer is minus 1 by 3. Okay, now our next problem, this is f of x is a function. Here we have to find out the domain of f of x. To find out the domain of these types of function, at first you have to know the definition of domain. Domain is the set of values of x for which the function give real values. So here in these types of questions, denominator this cannot be 0, 4x plus 5 this cannot be 0. From this we get x not equal to minus 5 by 4. That means domain of this function, domain this equal all real number except minus 5 by 4. My dear students, so here answer is option C. And our next problem, range of the function. To find out the range of this type of function, range equal all real number minus coefficient of x in numerator divided by coefficient of x in denominator. Coefficient of x in numerator divided by coefficient of x in denominator. So here coefficient of x in numerator is 2 and coefficient of x in denominator is 4. So here we get r minus 1 by 2. This is the range of this function. So here answer of this question is option D. Dear students, now our next problem is ddx of 10 power x. You know the formula of ddx of a power x, this is a power x ln a. Here you can write this equal a power x ln means log with base e. So therefore ddx of 10 power x, here 10 is replaced by a, that means we get 10 power x log e 10. So here option D is correct. Okay, next problem is ddx of root over 1 plus sine twice x divided by sine x plus cos x. In the beginning of my today's class, I have told that to solve differential mathematics you have to know the trigonometric formulas well. Here at first we have to apply trigonometric formula, and after simplifying this function then we give the formula of differentiation. So here ddx of root over 1 plus sine twice x divided by sine x plus cos x, this equal ddx of, here 1 can be replaced by this formula sine square x plus cos square x plus, you know, sine 2a, formula of sine 2a, this is 2 sine x cos x, and here in denominator this is unchanged, sine x plus cos x. Here ddx of, in numerator we can write sine x plus cos x whole square divided by sine x plus cos x. Here we get numerator in sin x plus cos x and in denominator sin x plus cos x. So ddx of 1, that means ddx of constant is 0. So here option C is correct. My dear students, our next problem is ddx of sine root over x. You know the formula of ddx of sine x, this is cos x. So here ddx of sine root over x, consider root over x as x. So here we get ddx of sine x, this is cos x, that means cos of root over x. Here we have to differentiate again root over x. Cos of root over x, you know, ddx of root over x, we have direct formula, this is 1 by 2 root over x. So this equal cos of root over x divided by 2 root over x. Here option D, this is correct answer. Okay, now our next problem is ddx sin inverse twice x. You know the formula of sin ddx sin inverse x, cos inverse x, sec inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse x. Here ddx of sin inverse twice x, so the original formula is ddx of sin inverse x, this equal 1 by root over 1 minus x square. So ddx of sin inverse twice x, consider twice x as x, then formula of this 1 by root over 1 minus x square, that means 2x whole square, and again we have to differentiate twice x, this equal 1 by root over 1 minus 4x square into ddx of x is 1 and here 2 is constant, so we get 2 into 1, this equal 2 by root over 1 minus 4x square. So here option C is correct answer. To do these types of maths you have to know also the formula of ddx of tan inverse x, this is 1 by 1 plus x square. Similarly, ddx of cot inverse x, this is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Wish these questions are clear to you. My dear students, our next problem is ddx of tan inverse 4x divided by 1 minus 4x square. To do this maths, you have to know the formula of trigonometry. This is tan inverse twice x divided by 1 minus x square. This equal to tan inverse x. Also, you have to know more important formula. These are sin inverse twice x divided by 1 plus x square. This equal also tan inverse x to tan inverse x. Also cos inverse 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. This also to tan inverse x. These three are most useful formula. Here, according to formula 1, ddx of tan inverse 4x divided by 1 minus 4x square, this equal ddx of tan inverse 2 into twice x divided by 1 minus twice x whole square. So this equal ddx of 2 tan inverse twice x. Here ddx of tan inverse x, this equal 1 by 1 plus x square. Also we have to differentiate twice x. So ddx of x, this is equal to 1. Finally we get 4 by 1 plus 4 x square. So here option B is correct answer. Option B, this is correct answer. Okay, our last problem, this is ddx of tan inverse 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. To do this, you have to know important formula of trigonometry. This is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. This equal tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Here ddx of tan inverse 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x, this equal ddx of tan inverse 1 plus x, that means x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. This equal ddx of tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse x. Here ddx of tan inverse 1, this is constant. ddx of constant, this is 0 plus ddx of tan inverse x, this is 1 by 1 plus x square. This equal 1 by 1 plus x square. So here option C is correct answer. My dear students, wish today's class is clear to you. It will more clear if you practice more maths from your textbook. Finally, I repeat again, to do the problem of differentiation, at first you have to know the trigonometric formulas. See you again inshallah. Allah Hafiz.